Let's join Glotty and her friends for a bike ride on the beach today. Look, Glotty's friends are in town today exploring. Can you see all the colorful buildings? Our friends are looking around. What will they do today? Hey, look over there. They found a place to rent bicycles. The bikes come in different sizes. Some are big and some are small. Each one is perfect for a different fuzzy friend. Our fuzzy friends choose bikes that fit them just right. Where are our friends going now? They're riding their bikes to the beach path. Let's follow them. The path is safe for our little friends to explore. It's smooth and wide. Look at the beautiful scenery. There are tall palm trees and soft sand. Our friends are pedaling their bikes. Can you pretend to pedal too? Uh-oh, there's a big curve ahead. Can they remember how to use their brakes? They're stopping now. Very good. Hooray! They are riding their bikes back on the straight path. What a wonderful ride they're having on their bikes. Oh, look, they've reached a nice spot to take a break. They're enjoying the view of the sparkling ocean. Now it's time to head back to town. Maybe they'll go see the Ferris wheel. Riding a bike is so much fun. Do you have a bike you like to ride? What a fun day Glotty's friends had learning new words on their bikes. Glotty's friends will always remember this special day riding their bikes. Where do you want to go with Glotty next?
Glotty and her friends are riding bikes at the beach today. Let's take a look and join the fun. They are riding bikes on a beach path. Can you say bike? Her friends are pedaling the bikes with their feet. Look how fuzzy and happy they are. Look at her friends with the roller skates on their feet. Roller skates are special shoes with wheels on the bottom. Look over here at Polly's friend on the skateboard. A skateboard has wheels on the bottom too. Hey, what are they doing? They are learning to play volleyball at the beach. There's a basketball court. One of Glotty's friends found a basketball. Look at that cute little puppy. Glotty's friend is learning to walk a dog. The dog is having fun at the beach too. He looks so happy. Do you have a pet dog? What's their name? Glotty's friends had so much fun learning new words with you. They've learned so much thanks to your help. Time to say goodbye. Can you wave and say see you next time? Great job. Where do you want to go with Glotty next?
Hi there! Glotty and her friends are learning all about bikes today. Hey there, bike buddies! We're super excited to teach our purple pals all about bikes today. Look at these colorful bikes. Let's learn the parts together. We have wheels, handlebars, and pedals. Wheels are on the bottom and move the bike. Handlebars help you steer. Pedals are what you push with your feet to move the wheels. Don't forget the seat, basket, and bell. Great job, everyone. You know all the parts of a bike. Now let's pick our favorite bikes and ride on the beach path. Ooh, careful now. It takes practice to balance. Look at our purple pals go. They're bike experts now. See how they use all the parts we learned about? Where do you want to go with Glotty next?